Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to analyze the recent price movement of cryptocurrencies that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple. Okay, so let's discuss with Bitcoin first. As we all know, there was a massive price drop in the early hours of Friday, and that was around about 3:45 to 4:15, quarter past 4. There was a drop of $1,300 in a span of like 30 minutes. I was awake actually at that time, early hours, and I was looking at the price. And when I had a look, when I was looking at the price of Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies on my mobile, I could not believe my eyes. And I have to refresh my app, and just to see that the price was in the region of like 6,900 or something like that, on about. But then I was just like completely kind of shocked. So I was keep monitoring it. The price did, it went up, which was good, which was a relief. It went up like 7,400 region, and it's been there since then. So it's about nearly 18 hours, I would say, something like that. Yeah. So I mean, as you can see on the screen, I like Fibonacci levels, and I trade on purely based on Fibonacci moving averages, MACD and RSI. So I'm keeping things very simple. Yes, I do draw trend lines, which gives us an overall what's how the price is going up and down, but I do just these few indicators and I analyze on that. Now if you look at the Bitcoin chart, I've drawn Fibonacci levels, and that was from the lowest point, which was in December, 15th of December or something like that, round about, and recent peak, which was $8,100. So around about 5 months, I would say. So based on that, now I was expecting that drop, what do you call it, a correction, to come in, because you can see MACD was on higher level on the extreme overbought region. RSI was on overbought region. So yes, I was expecting some drop. Now as you can see, the price has come down to this first support level. This is what you call a Fibonacci support level. These are all the support levels, and obviously when the price is below these levels, they become resistance. Like this is the resistance now, and yes, Bitcoin was struggling to cross 8,000 region and come stabilize on that. So as you can see, the price is getting a nice support on that level. Now my estimation is, if the trend is very strong upward, then yes, the price would bounce from here and go all the way up to the region of, to the target of like around about 10,000. But it was a very quick rise in a very short time, so I'm not surprised if the price will come down to this region or around about 6,000 region. I mean, I'll not be surprised for another $1,000 fall in that price, and then it will continue rising up. The reason is that MACD has to come down at least this level, maybe up to 0, and then rise again. RSI has to come down to a mid-level 50s and then rise again, slow and steady. As you can see in the previous, it was on oversold region, and then steady nicely it was rising up, and it went up to the extreme here, and hence we saw that correction. So this is, I will call it as a correction, which happens whenever there is a rise, and this market has to correct itself, and then it goes up. So I'm not surprised. Well, I know that there was a time when the correction will be coming. Yes, it came early hours. Now I'm holding my position still, and I'll not be surprised if the price goes back in this region. So this was Bitcoin. Now let's have a look at the Litecoin and see how it will behave. Well, Bitcoin, by the way, Bitcoin went down around about 30 to 20%, around about that sort of price. So let's see the Litecoin. Okay, so if I delete Fibonacci from here, all right, let's have a look and see what do we have here. So RSI was kind of like overbought region, not that much, but as you can see that previously it was an overbought region here, and then price went down, went steadily, went down this level, and then started rising up. Now I do see a divergence going on here in RSI, and there's a divergence in a MACD. So the price is going high, indicators are showing low, so yes, I would expect the price to come down, which it did along with other currencies. Now if we want to see the recent correction levels, how far a price can go, and if we draw a Fibonacci, let's have a look. So Fibonacci retracement levels all the way up to here. Okay, so again, like Bitcoin, it is finding support in the first support level, but again, usually the Fibonacci levels, they get a big support between this region from like around about 50%. So I think price can come down to this region, I would say, and then it's gonna start rising again. That will give us a nice opportunity to go long on this region when the price goes about what, $71, $72, 70, yeah, about 70. It's on 85 at the moment, so yeah, around about 70 to 71. So the price can stay on this level, and yeah, around about that. So this was Litecoin, which obviously it did sell quite a lot. Let's have a look at the percentage. So it went down from this to, so there was a drop of about 19%, 19-20%, yeah, pretty much same as the Bitcoin. Okay, so that was Litecoin. Let's go for Ethereum. Right. Okay, there you go. Right. This guy had a big, massive fall as well, along with other ones. Now, if we already was a drawn, I think I was doing some calculations. Where was it? Fibonacci was here. Yep. Okay. So yep, it was an extreme. Yesterday I did analyze the price. It was an extreme, and I was expecting it for the price to come down. And same as MACD. MACD is still on the high rise. It hasn't showed any kind of like a downward correction, downward movement or direction over here. So I believe the price would come down a bit more than that. Now if you look, it was trying to get to the support level. So currently for Ethereum, support is around about 208 region, and after that it goes all the way to 160, which is gonna be hard. I don't think it's gonna go to that low, but I do expect around about 200 region. The price can come down to 200 region, and then it can go further up. So let's delete that and draw a new Fibonacci based on the recent rise. Okay, so if I go from here, right, so from this level all the way to that level. Okay, well, that's right. So this is kind of let's go for a 4-hour chart. Right, so the price, okay, so from that low all the way, so in fact I should be drawing up to now. Okay, unlock it. So it should be around about here. That looks better. Okay, so was a peak. What's the peak? No peak. It's gone further. What's happening here? No, it's gone too far. Okay, let's draw. Yeah, let's go into the chart. Right. So now what's happening? Why is it not? It's not taking in. Right. Let's make it here. Right, there you go. Okay, so as you can see, the price has broken down the support level. It's heading towards this 0.61%. So yeah, it should be getting a support. This is a high support region, 50 to 0.61%. So 0.5 to 0.61. So I would say the price should bounce in between this region. I mean, I don't see price going to this low yellowish or this green region, but yeah, I do expect price to a little bit move around in this sideways and then go up. So Ethereum, yeah, it's looking good at the moment because it's already on the bouncing level, what you call it, the support level. Now let's look at the Ripple. That's my favorite one. Okay, all right. So Ripple is already, we haven't done much. It's already on. It has broken the support, and now let's have a look. So from the previous low of September 2018, the high. That's, well, to the high of this one, up to that. Okay, but anyway, let's go for the recent one. So if regarding the recent price movement, let's draw a Fibonacci here and see where do we get that. Okay, wow. So Ripple has come down to a region of 0.5%. So that means it's on the support. It's on a heavy support region. Now technically, I'm not expecting it to go up straight away, like in a day or so. But yeah, probably it will stabilize here first. Meanwhile, RSI will be in the 50 region. MACD will come down as well and then start converging up. So around about what? Probably in about June, first week of June, something like that. I would say, well, yeah, around about in next week or so, I think price will stabilize. It will hover around this level and then will start moving up to a target. So again, I'm not worried. I'm holding Ripple. I did hold Ripple all that long, so I got positive eyes. So short term, I'm looking at 0.56, but 56 cent. That's like around about a couple of months of time. I like when the price goes slow and steady. I do not like these high peaks. Basically, when there's a high peak, high jump in the price, it comes down quickly as well. I like slow and steady rise. So short term here, long term around about 75 cent is my target. So let's see, price is now in a correction. Now its price is correction. It's doing a correction, which is fine, along with other cryptocurrencies. So I will try to do an update over the weekend as well, probably Saturday and Sunday, maybe Sunday. Oh yeah, Saturday and Sunday. And I'll keep you guys up to date with the current price at that time. If you have liked the video, please hit the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned with us, and I'll bring more and more up-to-date videos in the crypto. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.